giving me this opportunity to speak on the topic of never be hopeless. Yes. So why you lose hope? You did a lot of hard work, a lot of struggle to become successful, and when you get poor result, you lose hope. Why? You can show to the world, but you lose your hope. I said, why you lose your hope? You can do much better. You know that you are unique. Come on, you are different from everyone. Then you lose hope. Why? You can do, and he never stopped working hard. He did a lot of hard work to become successful, and he did a lot of hard work to become successful. Because speak from there. Come on. Okay. Abdul Kalam did a lot of hard work to become successful. He never lose hope because he was so motivated towards their dream. He was so passionate towards their goal, and he becomes so famous personality. We know him as a true personality. So we should learn that never lose hope. Okay, you can do, and I know that everyone can do. I am also not perfect. But I try my best because I know that I can do, and I will do. When I come here, I thought that I cannot be a good speaker because I never faced this type of things in my life. But I never lose hope because I know that I can do. I can inspire people. I can motivate every girl because every girl and every boy can do everything in their life. Okay, so never lose hope. If I talk about to those students we have who are preparing for any exam like NEET and UPSC, they can also successful. They can also do. They can achieve their exam. They can crack their exam. But what they do, they just lose their hope. Why? You can do. You just need to do a lot of sweat. You just need to a lot of hard work. Hard work is the key of success. So you just need to do hard work. You have to be passionate for your goals, for your dreams. Look at your father. Look at your mother. He is facing every difficulty to just see you become successful. And you are hopeless. Why? You can do and you will do. I know that everyone who is present here, everyone can do. If